Bless you, brothers and sisters. Your sister Princess from Princess Aweka Ministry. The Lord is saying to somebody, your season of restoration is here. Your set time has come. You have been laboring for so long. You have been believing God for increase. You have been believing God for restoration in so many aspects of your life. Even your name may have even been tarnished. The Lord is saying, get ready. Your restoration is here. This is your season of restoration. It's going to be so huge, it's going to be so big. It will blow the mind of everyone. Even those who wrote you off, they are going to come back and begin to ask you, how did you do it? The Lord is saying He's about to give you beauty for ashes because He has heard your cry for so long. You have cried for so long. You have come to Him for so long. He's saying, get ready, get ready. He is going to restore you so massively. Your restoration is going to cover so many areas of your life. He's saying, just get ready, for your season of restoration is now. Your set time has come. God bless you, your sister Princess from Princess Aweka Ministry.